Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Aku. I know it's been a minute and I'm so excited to be back here with you guys. In this video, I'll take you on a tour of the world famous The Rock restaurant in Zanzibar. And yes, you guessed it, the restaurant is built on a rock. Smack dab in the middle of the Indian Ocean. Y'all, this place is unreal. I'm really excited about today's video because I'm shooting this entire vlog with my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Guys, the footage on this thing is mad. The Rock restaurant is located in Pingwe, Zanzibar, which is in the southeast portion of Zanzibar. And although this restaurant is in the middle of the Indian Ocean, they still manage to have Wi-Fi, good toilets, and great plumbing. What a beautiful country. What a beautiful country. I'm just like, I just cannot. The palm trees, and then look at the sky. We made it. We are at the Rock. We just got here. Guys, this country is so beautiful. I just cannot. I can't. So beautiful. Like, says the Rock parking. Can I just take part of Zanzibar and just take it with me to Atlanta? Paintings here. Anyone who wants to get one. Everyone here paints, guys. Like, literally everyone here paints. Everywhere you go, you can find a painting. Jambo. And FYI, Swahili is the national language spoken here. Wow! Oh my goodness. So peaceful. I feel like I'm in a dream. Zanzibar was a huge hub for the slave market in the 1800s, and many of these slaves were transported by the Indian Ocean through Zanzibar. Guys, this really does feel like a dream, like, whew. And you guys want me to go back to Atlanta? I can't go back to Atlanta, you guys. And I don't think I've ever had that strong conviction that I would move anywhere, but Zanzibar is the place, like, I would definitely move to. 110% I would move to Zanzibar. Would you move to Zanzibar? I would definitely move here. We're at the Rock restaurant. Pole pole. Pole pole means slowly. Don't hurt yourself. Pole pole. Thank you. The Maasai are one of the ethnic groups in Tanzania, and you'll see a lot of them by the beach selling souvenirs. Experience the beautiful country. Wow. Made it to the Rock restaurant. Everyone is out here taking pictures. This is the most exciting thing I've probably done all year. One of the most exciting. The staff was great and friendly, and I thought the food was well priced. The most expensive thing on the menu cost about $75 at that time. And I mean, given where you are and how unique this place is, it makes sense, right? They have indoor and outdoor seating, and it feels so relaxing to just stare into the sky and eat good food. We are at the Rock restaurant. No, just say hi. You'll hear me say wow so many times in this video. Zanzibar is so stunning, it leaves you at a loss for words. So the only word in my vocabulary right now is wow. And if you said wow just one time watching this video, please click the like button below and subscribe. It lets me know you like this content. And also, Hakuna Matata is law. That means no worries. If your life is falling apart, they'll tell you, Hakuna Matata, don't worry. Guys, it is unreal how amazingly beautiful this place is. Like, this is, there's no way this is real. Like, this is not real. I don't think this is life right now, because, like, I mean, what? Are you guys seeing this? Like, how beautiful this country is? Damn. Like, I really feel like I'm sleeping right now. I'm dreaming. I'm in a dream. I'm in a trance. And I'm gonna wake up and be in Atlanta. Yeah, this is just like, it's just so beautiful. Imagine waking up to this every day. Imagine this being your day today, like this is your life. You wake up, just go for a swim, just chill out. Sometimes I don't even want to wear my shades because I'm like, I don't want to miss an inch, an ounce of the beauty of this country. I just don't. Wow. See, this is what I'm talking about. Just chill, just like, this is real life. Like, this is the life right here.